Hello there, it's Jazz and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a really chill kind of video. I'm sitting here in my hoodie and I got my hair up and I'm just in a really nice and chill mood at home, and I decided I'd like to play with some makeup. And I remembered a couple of months ago I tried an eyeshadow roulette where I picked random eyeshadow colors and I tried to combine them, and that was really fun, so I decided to do it again. But first I am going to do my face makeup and my eyebrows really quick, and then we can jump right into the eyeshadow roulette. So I will be using the Ultimate Utopia palette by NYX again for many reasons, but mainly because it has a lot of shades. It has 40 shades, and sorry about my ring light, and they are numbered from 1 to 40, so it's really easy to just use a number generator and pick out the shades. Also, 40 shades is a lot and they are different. There are some cool tones, some warm tones. It's just not a set theme, so it's really interesting to mix and match. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do my face makeup real quick and be right back. And we are ready to go into the eyeshadow. I'm using my phone to film, so I'm gonna have to go over to my laptop and do the little number generator thing. I promise I'm not gonna cheat the first 5 numbers that appear from the number generator. I'm gonna write down a little note and we'll be back to see which corresponding shades they belong to. Be right back. Okay, and we're back, and I have the 5 numbers written here. It's 33, 35, 13, 14, and 24. I don't know why the generator picked like 33, 35, and then 13, 14, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna use this little gold eyeliner to indicate the shades on the palette. Let's go. The first one, number 33. Okay, it's this again. This dark purple shade. This purple shade was there last time as well. I'm not really happy about this. And then 35 is this olive shade, green kind of shade. And then we have 13 and 14. 13 and 14 is this super nice gold shade and this little purple shade. And lastly we have number 24. Okay, 24 is this super dark blue color right here. I'm gonna swatch the 5 shades together so you can get a clear picture and I can get a clear picture of what is going on. Okay, I'm done, and actually it's not that bad of a color story. This is it. And I would say, okay, this is a bit patchy, but I know that this palette swatches really badly, but when I apply the shades on my eyes, it's much better. So I have this color story. This time I have a lot of mattes. Last time, most of them were shimmers and metallics. So I like working with mattes. I hope I can blend these shades really nicely. And then we have this really beautiful gold. I think matches the rest of the color story. It's definitely not a very usual color story I would pick, but it's very intriguing. I feel kind of inspired. So let's see how this goes. Just give me a minute to think of the placement for these shades and then we can get started. I'm gonna add the 2 purple shades to my crease and fade them out, and then on my lid I'm gonna add these 2 shades, and then this will be in my inner corner or like the middle of the lid. I'll find somewhere to add this one. Alright, so let's get started. First, I'm gonna go in with this dark purple shade and do my crease. And then with the lighter purple plum shade, or magenta shade. Anyway, they're similar shades. With the lighter one, I'm gonna fade it out. Okay, I really do not like how this dark purple shade, this one right here, I really don't like how it blends out. I tried with my best blending brush to blend it out. I even used this lighter shade to fade it out, but there's no way. This purple shade looks hideous. It just doesn't look good at all. On a bright note, I love this green and blue together. It doesn't really pick out on camera how beautiful these two shades are. I don't know if you can tell, the green and then the dark petroleum blue, it's how it's called, this shade. They're really nice. The purple just bums me off so badly, so I'm just gonna keep going. I'll be going in with the dark blue on my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna use this eyeliner by NYX in the shade Gypsy Blue for my waterline. Such a grungy dark look, I like it. But I hate the purple. Okay, and now what's left is this beautiful gold shade that I'm gonna add to my inner corners, and I'm gonna make it a little extra. You literally cannot see a thing. These kinds of like pressed glitter type shades, you just need to go in with your finger, so I'm going in with my finger. There we go. So I added a big chunk of color because I just wanted it to be extra. It's not like I'm going anywhere. So this is the finished eye look. If you ignore how patchy and terrible the purple is on the outer corners, I really love how this look came out. I'm gonna try one last time to fade out the purple in a better way, but that's it. Did I fix it a little? I don't know. Okay, and now for contouring and blush and everything, I'm gonna try to be real quick because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'll be using the NYX contour and highlight palette. And I'm gonna use a cool tone shade for some reason to contour. Now that my forehead isn't hidden by hair, I really need to contour it. For blush, I'll go in with Wet n Wild Mellow Wine because I'm doing a project pan and it's included. I need to pan this by the end of March, I think. So I'm gonna be using it like crazy. This is so annoying. Can add a little to my nose. Now for highlight, since it's a strange look, I will use a strange highlight. I'm gonna use this blue highlight right here by BH Cosmetics. It's the shade Kween from their Blacklight highlight palette. For the lips, I'm gonna add something really bold. I'm gonna add a green lipstick. Wait, this one right here, Deep with Envy by MAC. And then on top, I'm gonna add On and On, which is this super nice glitter metallic shade by MAC again. And we're gonna see the result. Okay, so this is how it looks with just the green lipstick, and it really looks nice because it matches the green shade that is on my eyelids that you probably cannot see on camera, but I'm gonna add the glitter on top. I truly love this shade because it can turn blue and it can turn purple, and now it turned green. It's just really a metallic shade that turns any shade underneath it metallic, whether it's blue, green, or purple, or even neutral. Sometimes it turned kind of pinkish beige, but it's so versatile. It matches any lip shade underneath. This looks amazing. Okay, this looks amazing. I really wish my hair and my outfit were better for this bomb look. I'm still mad at the purple though. I'm really still mad at the purple. Okay, this eye is a little better than this one, but still, this purple annoys me so much. Which shade was it? 33? Shade 33. I'm not gonna use you again anytime soon. But yeah, we've reached the end of the video. Okay, this is the kind of makeup I wish I could wear outside, but I don't wear outside. But yeah, I'm really happy with the end result. I hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I highly recommend you guys try an eyeshadow roulette thing because it's so much fun. You never know what you're gonna end up doing. It's not a planned look. You just gotta work with what you have, and I had this, and the look came out really, really nice. And I'm in love with this lipstick combo. I never used these two shades together. I've tried this metallic shade with many other lipsticks underneath, but never this green one. And I'm really so in love with the look, the final result. So yeah, thank you so much for sticking with me and watching this weird, long video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.